So that is also you do homework. But next problem is construct the Turing machine. Construct the Turing machine palindrome of the string. Palindrome of the string over a given input alphabet A comma B. Remember, what is palindrome of the string? Palindrome of the string over a given input alphabet A comma B. So in this palindrome, what are the changes I have to do in this transition, same transition diagram? I need to do a very few changes in this palindrome. This is indirectly it is a palindrome only, even palindrome, but we have constructed only even palindrome. But palindrome means what? It has to be a odd number of strings also possible, right? Odd number of strings like A, B, or you can take BA, some bigger string, AB. So this is a odd palindrome. But in the previous WW power R is indirectly it is a even palindrome. So now in order to construct this one, anybody, just those who are listening, so just try to tell me what are the changes I need to do in the same diagram. What are the changes I need to do in the same diagram for construction of the palindrome? Only very few, nothing is there. So what are the changes I need to do? Just think and tell me. So in the same diagram, I need to get as a odd palindrome. I need to get as a odd palindrome. What are the changes I need to do? What are the changes I need to do? 92.
Sir, while going to final state, I think we have to add two more.
Yes. What are those? What are those?
A comma R, then B
Where you
comma
have
B
to
comma
add?
R.
Where you have to add?
While going to final state.
Yes, while going final state. No. At Q0, you are telling?
Yes, sir.
No. Q0 you cannot give. Just think about it.
From Q0 to final state.
No. Odd palindrome.
Then we have to loop it at.
No. Just think the string. So just process the string.
Okay.
You have whatever you told that is right, but it is not at the Q0. So Q0 you cannot give. So just anybody tell me where we have to, what are small change? That is whatever whatever she told, that is right only. But process and tell me. Suppose simply remember here this is a B. In middle either B or A may come. See, odd palindromes are simply what? Odd palindromes are just those who have got answer, you just raise your hand. So here see A B in middle I may get B, or say AB I am reversing as a like BA, whatever it may be. So it may be or AB A BA. This is also possible, right? Simply, but after reading this AB, so you are at which state that you have to see. A you have replaced with the blank and you have gone for the A, and
sir,
again
Q1 and Q4 will be there, sir. I mean,
no. Still process carefully. So A you are making as a blank, and this coming to the right hand side, A you make as a blank, and for the next B you have marked as a blank, and here also blank. While making this last second B as a blank, where you are at Q3. So, and this while blank you have moved the left hand side, blank on blank. Here you are coming to the left hand side, any number of, see here some more transitions I need to add here. What are those transitions? Anybody got, or can I give? Any number of A's, you have to move the left hand side. B I make as a blank, and I am moving left hand side. Any number of A's, any number of B's, I have moved the left hand side. I encounter as a blank. I am at state Q0, and after Q0, I need process a B. B I am making process as a blank, and I am moving right hand side. I am at Q4, and after Q4, immediately I cannot say that, because for this B, I don't know it is the end of the string. I need to search for some more strings also. So B I am making as a blank, and I am moving right any number of. So any number of, I will go to the right hand side. I encounter as a blank, and this blank on blank, I will move the left hand side. So you are at the state. Anybody got? Anybody got, ma? Okay, don't worry, I will tell you. I will process and I will tell you, don't worry. Let us take the same string. Here, A I am making as a blank. This we know very well. And this is A also. We are making as a blank, right? And next coming to the B, you are making as a blank. And next B, you are making as a blank, right? Listen carefully. So final here, this B I am making as a blank, and I have moved the left hand side. I am at the state Q3. While moving left hand side, you are at the Q3. What is a symbol? That is B is there. So for this B also, I have moved the left hand side, and I am at the state Q0, and I have reached to the here blank symbol. And here, here I am at the state Q0, and blank on blank I have already moved here. So what is a Q0 on B again? Q0 on B. Listen carefully. B I am making as a blank, and I have moved the left hand side. While moving left hand side, this B I have skipped, and I have gone to the blank, and blank on blank you have moved the right hand side. While moving right hand side, again you are pointing to the B, and this B I am making as a blank, and I have moved the right hand side, and I have moved the right hand side. Still you cannot say that it is end of the string. So again there is a blank, and blank on blank you have to move to the left hand side. Again what is there? Blank only. So at Q5, I have to send to the final state blank on, because you cannot, this B you need to check that. Suppose is there any other B? You cannot blindly decide at Q4. So blindly, if you in some more strings, you may encounter some B's also, right? So you cannot decide at Q4. So here you need to give blank on, and similarly from the here also from Q2 you need to send to the final state. From Q2, what is the symbol? Here whenever there is a B, here I am sending. Here whenever there is a I need to go for the Q2. So the symbol is here A comma, sorry, whatever it may be. Yeah, it's not A comma, blank comma blank. You need to go for the right hand side. Here also you need to blank on blank, you go for the right hand side. So this is what the final diagram for the palindrome of the string. It may be even or it may be the odd. So whatever the things you can take, and this is very simple logic, nothing is there, right? And the next one,